Okay. We have another best manufacturing lever lock to replace. Like I said, they're pretty good. They've been on the school for a long, long time. They told me it doesn't lock and just goes round and around. Let me see. Seems to work. Or was it their key didn't work? Okay, so I made up another key and cylinder. Let's see if the new key works. It works. I'm here. Might as well replace the lock and the cylinder. Be right back to you. Let me get the setup. You know the routine. Take the cylinder out. There we go. I'm gonna put a new cylinder in, so it's kind of worn. No big deal. Make that hammer go away. Remember, there's no hole in the latch on the inside handle on the best locks. There we go. Two screws, two screw bolts. Back side. Cylinder goes on the outside. Remember, check your inside handle before putting the cover plate on. Okay, that's done. Okay. Remember, Felipe 360, well, counterclockwise till it stops, but add a little bit. Pop the retainer clip. Gotta put a tailpiece on, change tailpieces. Oh, there it is. Swap the tailpieces. Put the new tailpiece in the old cap. Try the key in the cylinder, put it in the handle, put it in the handle, put the little flopper stopper. Here comes the children. Remember, a little bit counterclockwise. Done. Terrible.
That was easy. That was easy. That was easy.